Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 alternatives for the word confusing. Number 1, baffling. It means very hard to understand. Example, the instructions were baffling to the new students. Number 2, puzzling. It means causing uncertainty or making you think hard. Example, her sudden decision was puzzling to everyone. Number 3, bewildering. It means so confusing that it leaves you unsure what to think or do. Example, the maze was bewildering for first-time visitors. Number 4, perplexing. It means difficult to understand or explain. Example, the math problem was perplexing even for advanced learners. Number 5, mystifying. It means impossible or very hard to explain. Example, his behavior was mystifying to his friends. Number 6, befuddling. It means making someone feel mentally confused. Example, the long explanation was befuddling. Number 7, disorienting. It means making someone feel lost or unsure of direction. Example, the sudden blackout was disorienting. Number 8, complicated. It means made of many parts, so hard to understand or deal with. Example, the process is complicated for beginners. Number 9, unclear. It means not easy to understand. Example, the teacher's directions were unclear. Number 10, muddled. It means confused, messy, or not well organized. Example, his explanation was muddled and hard to follow. Great work today. You now know 10 powerful alternatives for confusing. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new English lesson. See you in the next video.